It's little Gorilla Joe, maybe.
All right.
Yeah, this is a good one.
What are you wired to on this?
Was it clamp?
Look like wiring specs on the amps. Are you half ohm, third?
Oh no, all 1 ohm.
1 ohm, okay.
All 1 ohm at 16 volt.
Okay.
With about 200 and, I don't know, 40 of lithium, I guess.
Yeah.
Somewhere around there, I don't know. Because I got oddball because I ran out of batteries.
Yeah.
So.
Made it work?
Yeah, I made it work. I'm going to get some more batteries.
Okay.
And Scott Bowman just made me a little box.
Awesome. That looks good.
Yeah, he's a good guy. He's one of the best.
Yes, sir. All right. Go check out the side?
Yeah, check out the inside.
Woo. I remember last time I got a demo with you, your wall was a little farther back, and this was inverted.
It was terrible.
It was? Oh, I'm sorry.
It was terrible.
Are you a lot happy with it now?
Very happy now. It has Crossfire mids and highs amps now.
Yep.
And the my little console, of course, kept flying off, so I had to screw it down.
Yeah.
But these subs, this is the last season of these subs. I'm going to Crossfire. So the whole.
Are these BTLs?
These are BTL 4s.
4s, okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to sell them.
Okay.
That's a recone down there.
Yeah.
My blue one, it made of steel, so that's a recone.
Okay.
But they're coming out. This is going to be the last show for them.
Okay.
And then the doors are going to be all Crossfire too.
Yes, sir. What is your box tuned to?
32 hertz.
32. Okay.
32 hertz.
And did you ever get it metered?
Never.
Never metered?
Never metered.
Okay.
Just for fun.
And you got the back out right here, so what made you take this seat part out? Just curious.
I'm going to go with low back seats.
Got it.
The Tundra seats are coming out, and I'm going to go with a low back seat.
Okay.
So I pulled this out so you could get more of the experience.
You can see it. Yeah.
Well, you get more experience, and then that way the girls can sit sideways.
There you go. Hair tricks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Brilliant.
So.
Does it do better door open or closed?
Closed.
All right. I'll close it.
Yeah. We'll find a song.
All right.
Whatever.
What was your name, man?
Richard.
Richard.
And it's my YouTube is Tundra Bass 954, or Instagram is Richards_Basshead_movement.
All right.
So.
Nice.
Gotta find something here.
You got a lot of power at hand, man.
A lot of power. Yeah, it's got a lot of power.
You like the amps though? Crossfire good?
The amps are amazing.
Yes, sir.
The amps are very amazing.
All right. Oh, I forgot about your alternators. Alternator power.
Yeah. Well, the alternator system I have on the stock side, I just have a 370 on the stock side, on the 14 side, and then on the other side I have a quality power 370.
Okay.
And I have it set at like 16.5 volts.
Okay.
So,
all right.
Matter of fact, I'm gonna turn it on right now.
Okay.
And you'll get a little hum.
Yeah.
You know how that goes.
Yes, sir. It's a good song.
Yeah, I don't know what I want to play yet. It's little Gorilla Joe, maybe.
All right.
See. Yeah, this is a good one. Let's see how she does.
keep the perk battle. I'm a hood nigga. I keep the perk battle.
You know probably more than me where she's probably sitting at dB wise. I don't know, it's probably 58, I don't know, 57 and a half, 58.
Probably 58, so 58, 59 on music.
Yeah, close.
I haven't felt it because this door hasn't been up. Did you put this one up, yours up?
It'll get louder. I think it's loud. The best pressure is with this window up.
Okay.
And then that open.
Okay.
That way it all goes,
it goes my way
to you and loads on you.
Yep. Yeah, definitely 58. Probably a 58. That's what I feel.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
It's fine. Loud enough for me.
Yes, sir.
It's enough.
All right.
And I keep
Give me a little more.
big, big, long hair, yellow, white, red, brown.
They've gone through a couple seasons, man.
Yeah.
They're tired. And this one here is really jumping.
Yeah.
This one's tight still.
So this one's probably because you're a new recone
it's
one.
It's a new recone,
yes,
yeah.
Sir.
Once I get them all 6 tight, it's going to be, I think it'll go up a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
But I'm okay with it.
Yes, sir.
It's not bad.
Thanks for the demo, man.
Wow. Yeah, make sure to give a shout out to Scott Bowman.
Scott Bowman.
Thank you,
yes, sir.
Scott. Appreciate it, buddy. I love you. My buddy.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, Jacob.
Yes, sir. You have a good day.
Yeah, man. Have a good day.
going on, everybody? This is JacobViral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.